Gratitude. Thanks for the birthday greetings.
Is anybody at home?
Yes, who are you?
Hi, Sarah. Happy birthday. Surprise.
What a surprise! Alex, Anna, and Jack? Why are you here?
What is it, Sarah? Did you forget today is your birthday?
No, I remember, of course, but how amazing you are. All of you are here. Come in, come in.
Yes, sure.
Thank you so much for coming here.
Don't mention it. We've been playing together since we were a child.
How could we forget your birthday?
That's right. Every year we come to celebrate everyone's birthday.
Thanks.
Sarah, this is my birthday gift. I'm sure you'll like it.
Oh, you brought me a gift? You shouldn't have. You guys are here. That is already the most special gift for me.
Happy birthday, Sarah. I hope you'll like this gift. When you were a kid, you wanted to have it, I remember.
Hey, Alex, where is your gift?
Actually, Alex sent me a present yesterday. Thank you. I like it very much.
What is that?
A beautiful dress. I'm so glad to receive your gift, Alex. Thank you very much.
You should have worn it today.
Oh, I forgot.
No problem.
You are always great friends. I can't show how grateful I am for what you did for me today.
Not at all.
It's raining heavily outside, but you guys still gathered and came to my house. You're very considerate when preparing this meaningful gift for me.
We've been planning since last week.
So today you guys stay here and let's have a small party together.
That's a great idea. Yes, it's rare that we get to sit together like this.
Thanks for helping me.
What are you doing here, Anna? What's wrong with you?
Oh, Alex, I don't know. I was driving normally when my car stopped. Now I can't restart it anymore. I don't even know what to do.
Okay, let me see. I think your engine's failed.
Oh dear, so what should I do?
I hope I can fix it. It's quite a normal error.
Minutes later.
Okay, done. It's okay right now.
Oh, really? Thank you so much, Alex.
No problem.
I didn't know what to do when this road was so empty of traffic.
Yes, this road is quite empty. I have to go through here today. Normally I go the other way.
That's so lucky for me.
The next time this happens to you, you can call the car repairman.
Do they come quickly?
I'm not sure, but I think yes.
Anyways, many thanks. You're awesome.
Oh, Alex, Anna, why are you standing here? What's the matter with you?
Hi, Sarah. Nothing much.
Sarah, Alex just helped me.
What's wrong?
My car had some problems. When I didn't know what to do, Alex went through and helped me.
That's great. Alex used to help me too. Alex. I would never forget your kindness. Yes, he's awesome, right? That's right. I thought there was something going on between the two of you.
No.
Alex, can I invite you for dinner as a thank you?
Oh, you shouldn't have.
I want to say thanks to you. I owe you one.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you, colleague.
What's wrong with you? You look so nervous.
Jack, I don't know what to do now. It's nearly the time I have a presentation with the partner.
Sarah, what's the matter?
I'm preparing for my presentation now. Suddenly, my laptop crashes. I'm not sure I've saved the documents or not.
Calm down.
If it hasn't been saved, it's really awful. I won't be able to sign a contract with a partner. It's a big contract with our company.
Don't worry, let me see.
Please help me. I have to show the presentation at all costs. Thank you in advance.
Sarah, everything is okay. The data has been recovered. Nothing is lost.
Really? Thank you so much, Jack. I owe you a great deal.
Not at all. Colleagues helping each other is normal. Prepare your presentation well.
Okay.
No problem. Keep going.
Jack, you do me a big favor.
Did you successfully sign the contract?
Yes, of course. Thanks to you. And I don't know how to express my thanks to you.
Don't mention it.
The data on the computer is really important. The partner was extremely satisfied with the preparation of the presentation.
It's my pleasure. To be honest, the problem with your computer is common, so I can fix it easily.
Can I invite you to lunch tomorrow?
Oh, of course I'm willing. And I'm willing to help you too.
I really appreciate it.